Embark on a solo adventure to Osaka, where the pulse of Japan's modern advancements harmonizes with the echoes of its storied past. From the sprawling underground malls to the symphony of flavors that is street food, Osaka beckons the solo traveler with promises of both comfort and discovery. Wander through neon-lit streets, find tranquility in ancient temples, and embrace the city's famed hospitality that makes every visitor feel like a local. As we dive into the essential Osaka Solo Travel Guide, we're rolling out a canvas of experiences just for you. Get ready to chart your own path in the city of water, navigating through vibrant districts and serene gardens. Make sure to subscribe to Globe Notes and turn on notifications for the latest in travel insights and tips. Your guide to mastering the art of solo travel in Osaka begins now. Let's make every moment count. Quick facts about Osaka. Step into Osaka, the urban tapestry where skyscrapers and ancient shrines coexist in harmony. This bustling metropolis, often dubbed the Venice of Japan, is not only the third largest city in Japan but also a pivotal part of the Keihanshin, a mega-metropolis rivaling the world's largest. As the city's neon glow reflects on the Yodo River, Osaka offers more than just a business epicenter. It's a melting pot of culture, famed for its gastronomic landscape and expansive subterranean malls. Delve into districts where each corner reveals a new tale, from the historic castles and temples to the jovial warmth of the Osakan people, renowned for their outgoing spirit and hospitality. Here, every alleyway and street brims with stories waiting to be part of your solo travel chronicles. Gearing up for your Osaka journey? Let's ensure you're equipped with the essentials. Currency-wise, you'll be using the Japanese yen, symbolized by yuan, and though navigating the city may seem daunting, a wide understanding of English among locals will ease your way. Strategically plan your visit. The cherry blossoms of spring, April to May, are a sight to behold, transforming the city into a painterly scene of pinks and whites, while the kaleidoscopic hues of autumn create a crisp backdrop for exploration. Navigating your arrival is seamless with two main gateways, the Osaka Itami International Airport, a stone's throw away from the city center, and the larger Kansai International Airport, a bit further out but well connected by efficient public transport. With these tips in hand, you're all set to embrace the Osaka experience. Where to stay? When it comes to accommodations in Osaka, the solo traveler is spoilt for choice. Guesthouse UEN stands out, offering a communal and genuine experience in a classic Japanese wooden house, where safety and camaraderie are paramount. The city's diverse lodging options reflect the wide economic spectrum, yet caution is advised as Japan's cost of living can be steep. If budget-friendly options are what you seek, delve into the lively Kamigasaki district, known for its economical rates amidst a backdrop of colorful streets and vibrant nightlife. However, for those desiring a quieter retreat, plenty of neighborhoods offer serene sanctuaries, ensuring peaceful rest after a day of exploration. No matter your preference, Osaka caters to every traveler, ensuring that your stay is as memorable as the city itself. Getting around Osaka. The rhythm of Osaka is best experienced through its expansive and efficient transit system, a lifeline for the solo traveler. The city's veins are its trains and subways, pulsating with the steady flow of daily commuters and wide-eyed wanderers alike. As a solo visitor, embrace the Nankai Railway for a seamless journey into Namba, the heart of Osaka's shopping and nightlife. Here, amidst the throngs and neon lights, you will find the city's spirit. Navigating this maze can be a thrilling challenge. The sprawling Umeda station often bewilders with its labyrinthine pathways. But fear not, signage and friendly locals are your guiding stars. And as the clock strikes 12, the trains take their rest until dawn. This curfew of sorts is your cue. Plan your nocturnal adventures with the certainty that in Osaka, every journey has its time. Osaka's nightlife. When the sun dips below the horizon, Osaka's nightlife tapestry unfurls. For solo travelers aged 20 and up, the city's nocturnal offerings range from the lively bars of Namba and Umeda to the intimate Japanese izakayas with their customary table charges. Sports enthusiasts can find camaraderie at Coolabah Sports Cafe, while those yearning for a taste of the familiar might gravitate towards the Blarney Stone or Murphy's Irish Public. And for a night to remember, Club Piccadilly Umeda Osaka beckons with its pulsing beats. Unique landmarks to visit. Solo travelers in Osaka are spoiled for choice with landmarks that whisper tales of the past. Shitanoji Temple stands as a testament to ancient architectural prowess, while the bustling energy of the Tenjin Festival breathes life into the historic Temmangu Shrine each July. Osaka Castle, a storied fortress, invites you to meander through its museum or bask in the beauty of its park, especially during cherry blossom season. Sumiyoshi Taisha Shrine, with its serene backdrop and the iconic Sorihashi Bridge, offers a moment of tranquility in the urban rush. Local wisdom. The soul of Osaka is its people, known for their friendliness and hospitality. They are the unofficial ambassadors of the city. Should you seek a slice of Americana, Westwood Bakers awaits with its authentic breakfasts, while La Forne tempts with freshly baked croissants. For a taste of Osaka's famed street food, venture into Shinsekai, where affordability meets flavor. And while the city is largely safe, it's wise to tread carefully in areas like Kamagasaki and Shinsekai during the night's quieter hours. Solo travel tips and itinerary ideas. Solo travel in Osaka is a dance with spontaneity, but a little planning goes a long way. With safety and budget in mind, carry cash and a credit card to navigate the culinary landscape, from cash-only eateries to cashless dining. And if timing allows, align your visit with Osaka's vibrant festivals, like the Eizen Matsuri or the Sumiyoshi Matsuri, to witness the city in full celebration. And there you have it, a canvas of experiences that make Osaka a dream destination for solo travelers. If you've enjoyed this journey through the vibrant streets and serene landscapes of Osaka, don't forget to hit that like button and show some love. Your support means the world and helps bring more travel guides like this to you. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, every journey begins with a single click. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.